I'm Belle for joining me today. Happy freaking Friday. So check this out. It's sunny and I'm off. It's Friday, I'm home, and look what's behind me. Yay! We're gonna go for a ride, so come along with us. Okay guys, so we stopped in Elk Grove to get some fuel on our way down to the Sacramento River. Sacramento River originates up by Shasta. I'll put the link to the map where it starts, but in our area it goes through Sacramento and down through the Delta. There's 1,000 miles of waterways in the Delta area. We're going to cover just the river area just to show you how beautiful the area is. We started the river ride on the east bank of the river road along the Sacramento River in the small town of Freeport. The Sacramento River originates to the west of Mount Shasta at confluences of the North, Middle, and South Fork in the Trinity Mountains. Before it flows into the Suisun Bay, the eastern part of the San Francisco Bay, it travels 400 miles. The Sacramento River, named by a Spanish settler, Gabriel Moraga, in 1808. Rio de los Sacramentos. The Sacramento River has been depended upon as a natural resource for about 12,000 years. In modern times, the Sacramento River has been used for California's vast agricultural production. It's also used for hydroelectric with the dam at Shasta Lake and many of its tributaries. Further south, the Sacramento River feeds sloughs to the west, such as Steamboat Slough and Miner Slough, that connect the river to the Deepwater Channel. To the east side of the Sacramento River, it feeds sloughs such as Snodgrass Slough by way of a lock just south of the small town Lock, known for its colorful buildings built by the Chinese immigrants during the early 20th century, including the famous biker stop, Al the Wops, founded in 1934 by Al Admani, the only non-Chinese business in town. Before the Sacramento River connects with the San Joaquin River, it feeds Georgiana Slough, just north of Isleton, the original home of the famous Crawdad Festival. There is over 1,000 square miles of waterways in the Sacramento-San Joaquin River Delta to be enjoyed by land and water. At Walnut Grove, another fun town on the Sacramento River, we cross one of the many drawbridges to make our way north along the west bank of the Sacramento River. As we ride north on the west bank of the Sacramento River, we take in the sights of the beautiful marinas along the way, enjoying the beautiful sunshine and fresh air in our face. As we get closer to Sacramento, we cross Steamboat Slough on another drawbridge. As we get closer to Sacramento, we make our plans to find a watering hole in Sacramento. Okay guys, we're back at the ranch. We had a great weekend of riding. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did in our beautiful area of Northern California. Until next time, enjoy the ride. One.